Hey y'all, welcome back. Today we're going to take a bunch of my aluminum scrap. We're going to turn it into a cane. Not just any cane, a CVMA skull-footed cane. As with most of my projects, we have to start with the mold. Today I'm going to use Petrobond sand. It's green sand for metal casting. Only it's not green, so I'm not really sure why they call it that. So we're going to go with Petrobond. Next up, the styrofoam Halloween decoration that's going to get lost in metal for lost foam casting. Once you've got the sand mold all set up, it's time to set up the foundry. Through the magic of editing, this isn't nearly as difficult as it looks. Recharge the crucible and light the fire. Once I've got enough scraps melted, it's time to make the pour. What I'm doing first here is scraping off the dross, all the impurities that form at the top of the metal. Don't want those in the finished casting. Takes about 20 minutes to cool, and then you're ready to pull it out of the sand. And even though it's solid, it's still very hot. So I like to speed the process along a little bit with my garden hose. Then it's just a matter of cutting off the sprue and some polishing. A little bit of Dremel work, a little bit of angle grinder work, a little bit more Dremel work, and a whole lot of polishing. The casting isn't perfect, so I had to fine-tune the hole to make it fit around the existing cane that we're going to use. It took a little while, but it's worth it in the end. And here's the final product, a beautiful CVMA skull at the base of a cane. Quite the decoration piece and conversation starter. Hey y'all, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the little bell, and check out some of my other videos posted around the screen now. As always, thanks for watching.